Just had this Fender Deluxe Reverb come in. It was recently serviced. The guy got it and he says it sounds kind of thin and glassy. He noticed that a lot of the tubes appeared to be lower quality. So I'm going to initially just open this thing up. We'll check out the past maintenance. Maybe it is just tubes. We'll find out. Alright, topside inspection. Got a new 5U4, a couple 6V6s. I have not looked at these other tubes under the shield yet, but I took the top off of the cap cage and the first thing I spotted were these two filter caps. If you look at the schematic, they're normally 16 microfarad caps. These have 10s installed. These 22s are okay, but the 22s should have been all the way across. So obviously we're going to have to take care of that. Let's take a look underside. Bottom side inspection. Right here you see the negative bias cap has been changed, and that's an F&T cap, good deal. But as we go across the eyelet board, you'll see all those original caps are there. The electrolytics have been swapped out, but all the coupling caps are the original blue nasties. Remember, this amp came to me with the information that it had already been rebuilt and maybe just needed a tube. Nope, not the case. Now we're going to completely recap it, check all the tubes. So I already talked to the owner and he said go for it. Let's make this thing bulletproof. So all these are going to come out. I'm going to recap the power supply as needed, new tubes as needed, and then we'll test it. Alright, we're getting real close to test time. I've got all the caps replaced on the eyelet board. And I checked the tubes and I found that the two input preamp tubes, which were these Electro Harmonix 12AX7s, were like completely dead. Sorry guys, I have bad luck with Electro Harmonix tubes, but I have good luck with the Savtech 12AX7 LPSs, and that's what I installed. Got some reverb, man. Good to go, man?
That is what a Fender's supposed to sound like. That is gorgeous. Thank you so very much.
Sure enough, man.